Hey there, lattes. Welcome back. Um, this is a video for my espresso group, but again, if you are latte or cafe au lait group, you get it anyway. But I wanted to touch upon um, picking a specific pair, minimizing the pairs that you trade and how important that is. I learned. I went through an academy, and for years I would jump into certain trades and certain pairs. I was trading gold and crypto, and man, we'll do a video on trading multiple trades in the same account. You don't want to mix and match. You don't want to put your apples in with your oranges and your tomatoes in with your avocados. You want to not put your indices in with your euro pair trade or your metals with your crypto. Don't do it. Don't do it. If something goes wrong, it's going to take everything down. I'm literally watching the trade go into profit right now. I'm just super excited. I'm taking my profit in US 32, a quarter theory mark, and it is 7 pips away. Let's go. So I'm a trader. What can I say? So picking a pair. I have been doing indices for a couple of years, mostly just indices, and felt like I understood it. I love the volatility. I love the volume of it versus Forex pairs. So that's what I was doing, and a little smattering of silver and gold. Those are my things. Boom, take profit, baby. Yes, I love it. Winning and winning. It wasn't until last year that last February, so it's coming up on a year, that I took my last mix and match. I've only been doing US 30 exclusively now, except in demo when I'm trading with you guys. I'm doing some euro pairs. UJ specifically is my favorite, and Bitcoin. But I'm trading one pair, and I can tell you from trading one pair exclusively, I have learned how it moves. I have learned what happens at London market open. I've learned what happens right before the hour. I've learned what happens as London shuts down at 11:30 Eastern Standard Time, and what happens when market opens, how US 30 reacts when there's news. And I'll do a whole video on that, on how to understand the news. Well, what does that mean? Employment rates went down. What does that mean for what you're trading, specifically in the US? And even you can do the same with foreign currency, the CAD news, the JPY news, the Euro news. You can trade anything, anyway. A chart is a chart is a chart. I'm going to just keep saying it. So, but what I've learned is when US 30 gets quiet, right after lunchtime here, it settles down. It typically goes, it counter trades, it goes the other way. I'm fine with that. And then it comes back around. I know for sure, like, don't even try to contact me. I will not schedule any Zooms anytime after 3:30 on a weekday, because that's when I know US 30 is going to move. It's going to move with some great volume anytime between 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and market close at 5 before it opens up at 6. And when it opens up again, it's a new day, it's a new candle, Greenwich Mean Time. And that just means, it's going to settle down for a few hours until market opens, unless there's news, Asian news or something. Or I think I'd said in the previous video, what really moves the market is signs of the pandemic, or a war, or some major economic movement, bankruptcy or something. But otherwise, things kind of flow on course with the news and with Forex Factory, and thank gosh, I understand all that. But again, picking a pair has made me chill out with my trading. It's given me more confidence, and we can float over to US 30 right now, and we can talk about it. So yeah, So right now, London market's getting ready to close. So I'm not surprised by that big push that we just had that put me into profit. Let's go take a look. Okay, we are officially back. I was just doing some videos and training in my other group on crypto. So let me just go to US 30. Yes, baby, yes. So I just took profit. London markets, I was in a sell, boom. I was in a sell to 65. So this is where I took profit. 65? Nope, 25. I was in a sell till 25. So you can see that, yeah, it dipped below and now it's on its way back up, but I'm out of my trade and I made some profit. So when I get off with you, I will analyze with my theory that we're going to finish up in the latte group, going through my strategy. But anyway, I'm not surprised that the market shifted. Let's just see if any action happened yesterday. Let's go back. Well, golly. Let's go to the hour chart. The hour chart will be better. Yesterday was the 4th. Let's go to noontime, right around here. So look at this big candle. Look at this. I'm playing with the little fidget thing in my hand. Let's go over here to, let me draw a vertical line really quick. Right here is when the market was closing. This is the 11 o'clock candle, 11:30. Now London is closed. Bam. She took a nice ride up, didn't she? So let's just go back out of curiosity for the day before Tuesday at noon. Okay. Control V. No, it's not gonna let me draw that. Right here, folks. Right here. Right here. So here's another big move. Look at the size of these candles. This, for me, this makes it so easy to trade or not be shocked. Look at the size of this candle when London was closing. What? Look at the size of this candle yesterday when London was closing. And look at the size of this. Look at the size of this candle. Let me draw a vertical line. It was not big. Let me just move that for a second. Okay, so it was not big, but it moved. It moved all the way from up here. Let's call it, what do you know, 936, moved all the way down to 936, all the way down to 825. So almost 1,000 points or 100 pips. You can translate that too. It's good to be aware of what's happening when the market's closing, especially with indices. So know your pair, stick with it, stick with a couple of pairs. I'm really drawn. If I had to pick a Forex pair right now, I'd pick UJ because I've been trading it in demo with my team since May. It is so fun. It was at all-time highs back in May. I couldn't believe it. Kept pushing. Because the Japan is not really doing a lot with its interest rates right now, but we are, so they're kind of stagnant. Of course, it's weaker and weaker. So that's another story about how to trade global news. But pick a pair, understand how it moves, understand when it gets sleepy, understand when it wakes up. Again, you can see I just demonstrated that come closing of London market, things move. Okay. And between 3:30 and 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, when my market's getting ready to close here on New York Stock Exchange, I feel like that is definitely like, don't talk to me when it's that time, because I'm on the charts. And I picture like the ticket takers in the movies on Wall Street, like try to close orders and get the job done for the day. Things are moving at that time. I am gonna go there. I hear a vacuum outside my door, so they're doing some cleaning outside. So I am gonna go. Thank you so much again for stopping by. And a special group, stay tuned for more videos. And if you want to learn more, latte or cafe au lait, where you get a 2-hour Zoom live with me. We pick some pairs. I answer your questions. And again, there's one-on-ones free with me, not free. Oops. There's one-on-ones that you can book a time with me. Let me know, get you my calendar, and I will see you out there. Thank you.